How to study effectively. Hi everyone, I'm Evelyn. Here I will explain to you about how to study effectively. Introduction. Importance of effective study habits. Academic success is not just about studying hard, but studying smart. Good study habits can reduce stress and improve grades. Overview, understanding different learning styles, techniques for effective studying, and time management and goal setting. Understanding learning style. Types of learners. 1. Visual learners. Learn best through image, diagrams, and visual arts. 2. Auditory learners. Retain information better through listening and discussion. 3. Kinesthetic learners. Prefer hands and activities and movement to learn. 4. Reading or writing learns. Learn best through reading text and writing notes. Creating a study plan. Setting goal. Smart goals, specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, time-bound. Break down long-term goals into short-term, attainable steps. Prioritization. Focus on default or important subject first. Use the Eisenhower matrix to categorize tasks by urgency and importance. Time management. Use a planner or digital calendar to schedule study session. Allocate time for breaks and relaxation to avoid burnout. Effective study techniques. 1. Active learning. 2. Spaced repetition. 3. Note taking strategies. 4. Practice testing. Creating a conducive study environment. Choosing the right space. Find a quiet, comfortable, and well-lit area for studying. Minimize distraction by turning off notification and keeping the workspace organized. Tools and resource. Gather all necessary materials. Books, notes, stationery before starting. Use apps and online research to supplement learning. Study routine. Establish a consistent study schedule to build a habit. Include regular breaks. Regular 5 minutes every 25 minutes using the Pomodoro technique. Managing stress and staying motivated. Stress management techniques. Practice mindfulness and breathing exercise to reduce anxiety. Stay physically active and maintain a balanced diet to keep energy levels up. Staying motivated. Set reward from completing studying goals. Surround yourself with positive influences like study groups or mentors. Track progress and celebrate small wins to stay encouraged. Avoiding common pitfalls. Procrastination. Break tasks into smaller, manageable chunks. Use time blocking techniques to commit to study times. Cramming. Avoid last minute studying by planning ahead. Prioritize understanding over memorization. Multitasking. Focus on one subject at a time to improve concentration and retention. Leveraging technology. Study apps and tools. Use apps like Quizlet, Evernote, or Trello for organizing and review material. Leverage online courses and videos for additional learning. Digital note taking. Consider digital tools for organizing notes and study materials. Online study groups. Join online forums, discussion groups, or study communities for collaboration and support. Conclusion. Recap of key points. Understand your learning style and tailor your methods accordingly. Plan and manage your time effectively. Use active learning and spaced repetition to reinforce knowledge. Final tips. Consistency is key. Study regularly and avoid cramming. Stay organized, manage stress, and keep a positive mindset. That's all the material. Thank you.